Let's talk about the microbiome. There's about 100 trillion organisms in your body that contribute a lot of things to digestion, assimilation of foods, but they live right next to most of your immune system. So let's see how they weigh in. 100 trillion, which is a very big number. They have about 10 times the number of cells that your body has and 100 times the number of the number of genes that you have in your body. So these actually outgun you in a couple different levels. There's actually books been written that say it's 10% human because really on a cellular level, that's all we are, about 10% human. The rest is this giant bag of bugs. So it influences how we feel profoundly, and most doctors haven't looked at that very carefully. Science is emerging now that shows how exquisitely related we are with those bugs in our GI tract and how they influence our day-to-day health. So in inflammation, like we talked about, whether it's a sprained ankle, acute flu, or you're just not quite feeling right, or you're not sleeping well, this has to be addressed in a very careful way. Food is the primary portion of the thrust towards engineering the microbiome, and you have to carefully use your foods to determine which foods are friend and which foods are foe. There are documented foods, well-documented foods that promote inflammation in the body. Not surprising, it's refined flour and sugar. If you've ever had the experience with the program that came online about 5 or 6 years ago called Whole30, you know that eliminating certain foods will make you feel better. No question about that. The challenge is not eliminating them for most people. The challenge is carefully reintroducing them and finding out who's causing the trouble and who's not. So inflammation is definitely influenced by the microbiome. Other ways we can influence the microbiome is by using probiotics. We have a careful explanation in our pain elimination program about the effective use of probiotics, which are being researched at a very high level on a daily basis almost. It seems like we're getting more and more information about that. So join us for the pain elimination program. You can buy it anytime online at physiciannutrients.com, and I appreciate you listening. Thank you.